In this video, I will explore about @let block used in our Angular application. @let block allows us to define a local variable in HTML template. Let's see how to use it. Write @let and then a variable name. Suppose name and then equal something. And now this name variable we can use. I am using like this. Okay, we can see here output. Okay, if you want to use one more, let's see @let how to use as a number. Write is @let my num is equal to 15. Again, let's print it. Yes, look at here. If you want to concatenate, you can concatenate. Let's see message hello plus name that we have defined here. Then let's print it inside div or wherever you want in this template. Okay. Now let's see how to use our component property. Suppose I have a component property writer. It has a name and inside it has books. So we can get it like this: writer name is equal to, and get it from here, writer dot name. And let's print it. We got it, writer dot name. And if you want to get it books, you can get books. Writer dot okay. We will get an array AABBCC. We can iterate it using for loop. Let's see. Okay, and then you can print it. @for b of books. This should be the semicolon. Now we have iterated it. I have one more property, user. Let's see, let's use it inside if block. User active variable name, and I am getting it here from user dot is active. Now I'm using it inside if, and if you want to print inside it, you can print it. Let's see, print the name, username, BB. This one printed by user dot name. I have taken it from using let variable, so we can use it anywhere in this HTML template. Now let's discuss more about its scope, and before that let's use how to work with async. Suppose I have a MSG that is observable type of, and the message is hello, then we will print it like this. MSG, then use pipe sync MSG dollar. Now let's print it. You can check with if whether it is null or not, my MSG. Then if it is not null, you can print it hello. We got the message. Now let's discuss more about its scope. Suppose I have a variable my num is equal to 12. Okay, and inside div I have declared another variable. Suppose this is my MSG. Okay, I have two variable my num and my MSG. We can access both, not an issue. If we have defined a let variable inside HTML elements, we can access outside it my num, my MSG. We can see both message. We can display it. Okay. Now, if we define let variable inside if for loop, in that case we will not be able to use it in the parent block, but we can use inside the nested block. Let's see. Suppose first let's say start from here, user.ejective. True, then Let's access it here. Okay, inside it, what I'm doing that I'm define another variable. Suppose something else like again my message. Okay, now inside this I'm accessing the both variable. Here one is my num. First one is my num, that is outside the if block, and another is my msg, that is inside it, and that's both are accessible. So if we declare variable outside the if block, then we can use inside it. But let's use it. My msg has been defined inside if. Now let's use it outside if block. Property my msg does not exist on type. So if we declare it inside it, then we will not inside if, then we cannot access it outside if block, but we can access it in child block. Suppose I'm iterating some loop, or suppose I'm iterating the books. This is an array, writer dot books. This is an array. I will iterate it here. B of writer dot books. Okay. Now inside it, I'm printing B, and I also print this my msg, that is that has been declared inside if. We can see that welcome are being printed inside welcome, this and this. So we have declared a variable inside if, and there is a loop inside if block. It means we can access here, or if we use if block, that can also be accessed. Suppose let alien length is equal to books length. So what I'm doing here, that I'm getting the length from the books writer. Books length is 3, and then inside if I'm checking it, if length greater than 0, then print my masjid that has been declared in the parent if block. So we can use in the nested block, but we cannot use in the parent block. Suppose if I declare something here, suppose a variable like name, we cannot access it inside outside this if block. Have we declared somewhere else? I think this is this message is John. So we have we are suppose name is something else, change it. Okay. So if the variable is inside a block, then we cannot use in the parent if block. Okay. So this is the scope. In this way, we have explored here how to use at the rate let variable. It is used only in HTML template, and we can use only in this HTML template anywhere. Okay. Thank you.